Okay, so we're back. Hopefully this video is more in focus than the last one. This board is fully rebuilt, but I missed these ones, bridge rectifiers. So I'm gonna replace these all together before I put everything back together, and then it should be good. Just one thing to mention, this was set to 220 volts. I moved it over to 240 because otherwise your voltages will be completely different. The outlets are no longer 220 volts, it's 200 and more close to 240. So if you have a chance to change it, otherwise your voltages are way too high. You're just gonna ruin your power supply and your boards. Alright, cleaned everything already. Some new ones here. The originals are 25 amps, 200 volts, as you can see here, like that. The new ones are 25 amps, 800 volts. They should at least be the same amps or the same voltage, but never lower. Higher is always better, or compatible. Doesn't really matter that much, but make sure you do them one by one, otherwise you're gonna mix up one or two. And they're both the same. Both are bridge rectifiers, they're the same type. Come on. I have no idea why they're so stuck. Normally they just come right off. Yeah, there we go. That's one. Alright. Let's put some thermal grease on there. Okay, let's see how this was put together. If I remember correctly. Needs to be very tight. It cannot be loose. Otherwise you don't have a good contact with your heatsink, which is the case of the power supply. Okay, next. Alright, that's that. This one needs to be cleaned. See how that fits together. Perfect. Let's put a little bit spot of grease there. Okay. Same here. Let's get that secured first. This also needs to be tight, of course, to make good contact. See if we can tighten it a little bit more. It's not that important, but you know, when things coming loose. Yes. And one way this can go, like that. That's it. And don't think I forget anything. So one rebuild power supply. Next we'll just have a look after if everything is working again. I'm pretty curious. It's always very exciting to to use it again for the first time after you place everything, and almost everything. You can imagine I'm a little bit nervous, even though I know almost nothing can go wrong, but still. Okay, next video we'll put everything back together and see if it starts.